We went shopping and we got more paneling here and over there to go up there. Also bought, instead of ripping them, which would have been a lot more difficult and a lot more sanding, we bought pre-made, well, they're called 3-inch boards, but they're only from here, they're only 2.5. But I'll use this for all the molding around everything, including the windows and the corners up there. Wherever I need molding, I'm going to use those boards around the door and up there where you can see that split right there. I'll put some molding up there too. Finish that off in that corner over there. Okie dokie. Also, Victor finished this threshold yesterday, and I'll probably use contact cement on that, where the boards will come from over there to here to hold it down, because we won't be able to nail it in. But this is getting dry. So I painted this wall gray, just the one wall. We're thinking about doing that one, but we won't do it yet. But I did it with a brush, so probably took a half an hour or so. Had a big mess on the floor, which I just cleaned up, but this wall is ready for molding. And well, I gotta paint this interior stuff white and the window frames white before I do the molding. So I did the molding. We'll be filling those areas in with paintable caulk over there, and then just do a touch-up paint. Also, the inside here needs to be painted right in there. Right in there. And the door is going to be painted white so it matches the rest of the room. See, the rest of the room has white doors. And then, once this room gets done, we can clean up this mess out here. Yeah. This is the flooring, so it'll be darker than the walls, but I think the contrast will be really nice. This is waterproof. This is a great premium paneling, or whatever you call it, flooring. I put molding up here and all the way along this box on this side here. But I'm definitely going to need to put it underneath because I don't like that split right there. So I'm going to get more of that molding and cover this all up. Want to measure 65 for me? So we got the other side of the roof ceiling done, rather. All the lights are in, but I have to do this centerpiece that drops down, and I have to fill in those areas yet, but centerpiece that drops down, a little bit of molding up there, and a few other places down there at the end, right above the window, and obviously above this box. So a few things more that need to get done tomorrow.